By 2025, Tesla's Gen 3 bot will no longer be just a prototype. It's here, 30% faster and smarter than anyone anticipated. Not only can it fold laundry and prepare meals, but it can also care for the elderly, all without supervision. Generation 3 is set to revolutionize home healthcare and continuous medical monitoring. Recently, Elon Musk confirmed that by 2027, Tesla will be producing over 100,000 of these robots every year. We're getting closer to a world where bartenders, waiters, and even babysitters are robots. This is becoming reality. So, what does this mean for your job? Will you be replaced, or could you profit from these robots instead? In today's episode, we'll show you exactly how you can turn a Tesla bot into a money-making machine, even if you're just an ordinary worker. Trust us, job number 3 will definitely surprise you. Miss it, and you'll regret it. But first, take a moment and hit the subscribe button, then turn on the bell to stay ahead of the curve in this robotic era. John spent the past 10 years of his life staring at the ceiling, unable to move, paralyzed by a severe form of muscular dystrophy called spinal muscular atrophy type 2. The only part of his body he could move was his thumb. His income came entirely from Social Security and SSI, a total of $987 a month. His life was completely dependent on caregivers, and even something as simple as scratching an itch was impossible. Then one day, his son walked in with the Tesla bot Gen 3. John couldn't help but laugh bitterly. How could a machine possibly understand his suffering? But the Tesla bot surprised him. It gently adjusted his pillow, making him more comfortable. It brought him water without him even having to ask. It lifted him effortlessly, with no pain or struggle. For the first time in over a decade, John felt relief, freedom. He no longer felt like a burden, and he wasn't trapped in his own body anymore. The best part? The Tesla bot could learn his preferences, becoming so intuitive that it could anticipate his needs without him having to ask. It could teach, babysit, walk the dog, mow the lawn, and even do the grocery shopping. This is just the beginning of how these robots will change the way we live and work. Elon Musk's statement that the Tesla bot can just be your friend, serve drinks, or do whatever you can think of highlights exactly what the Tesla bot Gen 3 is designed to do. As demonstrated in Tesla's promotional videos and images, the Gen 3 bot is shown as a professional housekeeper, taking on tasks that might seem simple for humans, but are actually quite challenging for robots. Whether it's cleaning, cooking, or taking care of children and the elderly, the Tesla bot Gen 3 is designed to handle it all. That's right, the upcoming Gen 3 version promises major improvements. Tesla has already shown off the bot's abilities to clean kitchens, water plants, serve drinks, open car trunks, carry groceries, and even check for packages. With the new updates, Gen 3 will be far smarter than its predecessor, Gen 2, boasting over a 30% increase in mobility and speed. This marks Tesla as the only company successfully advancing multiple generations of humanoid robots and bringing them into real-world applications. Now, imagine if the Tesla bot could handle all your household chores for a fraction of the cost of a Tesla car. Let's say around $25,000. That could change everything, right? Elon Musk has said that the Tesla bot will be priced competitively and capable of performing a wide range of tasks based on real-world needs. By 2026, Tesla plans to produce hundreds of thousands of these robots and offer them to a wider customer base. With Tesla's resources, scaling up production is no problem. Musk even shared in an interview at CES with Mark Penn, CEO of Stagwell, that he expects the Tesla bot's performance to improve drastically. I certainly feel comfortable saying it's getting 10 times better every year. In 4 years, that could mean it's 10,000 times better, or even 100,000 times better. He believes the Tesla bot will eventually be able to do anything a human can do. As for the current specs, the Tesla bot Gen 2 stands at 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighs 138 pounds, and is powered by a 2.5 kilowatt-hour battery. It can carry up to 45 pounds, 20 kilograms, and perform tasks ranging from basic to complex. Typically, a 2.5 kilowatt-hour battery would let a robot run for 5 to 6 hours, But the Tesla bot uses the advanced 4680 battery, Tesla's most powerful model, allowing for improved efficiency and longer operating times. Tesla's advanced 4680 battery technology, with its superior energy density, allows the Tesla bot to run for up to 10 hours on a single charge. That's enough time for it to fold laundry, mop the floors, mow the lawn, cook meals, and even wash the dishes. Just picture coming home to find everything already done. No need to lift a finger. Sounds like the dream life, doesn't it? Studies predict that within the next decade, 59% of grocery shopping tasks will be automated, followed by 46% of dishwashing and 46% of cooking. This shift is already happening, with robots like Dyson's prototypes showing off their ability to manipulate objects, while AI-powered vacuum cleaners like Roomba have become household staples. By 2035, it's expected that 39% of household labor could be automated, potentially freeing up 4 extra hours per week for every household. These advancements point to a future where robots don't just match human efficiency, but actually surpass it in repetitive tasks around the house. The Tesla bot is leading this change, offering a compelling economic alternative to human labor. With an estimated price tag of $20,000 to $25,000, the Tesla bot provides a one-time investment for 24/7 service, far less than the average salary of $30,000 to $45,000 for a US housekeeper. Moreover, the rise of humanoid robots will create new job opportunities in fields like robot maintenance, AI training, and ethical oversight. To keep up, we'll need investment in reskilling programs to prepare workers for these new roles. Beyond its impact on home tasks, the Tesla bot is set to revolutionize elderly care and disability support. Many people, like John, rely on caregivers, but those caregivers are often overworked, underpaid, and stressed, leading to inconsistent care. With robotic assistance, daily needs such as mobility support, medication reminders, and companionship could be provided with much greater reliability, improving the quality of life for those in need. What once seemed like science fiction is now becoming a reality, thanks to Elon Musk. If you've ever dreamed of owning a robot that can do it all, hit the like button to let us know our content resonates with you. While the Tesla bot Gen 3's ability to handle household chores is impressive, that's just a small part of what it can do. As promised in the title, we're about to reveal 3 groundbreaking jobs this robot is actively developing to replace human labor and free us from repetitive work. The third job, in particular, is one that really caught us by surprise. First, let's talk about Jim. He's worked for over 15 years at a battery manufacturing plant, but his job has taken a toll on him. Exhausted, his back constantly aches, his fingers swell, and sleepless nights are wearing him down. The machines, however, keep going without pause or sympathy. One day, Jim dropped a stack of batteries, and his supervisor harshly scolded him, threatening termination. Then came a major announcement. The company was introducing humanoid robots into production. The Tesla bot Gen 3, unlike Jim, never gets tired or drops a single battery cell. It works 3 times faster than any human, handling heavy materials up to 20 kilograms with incredible precision. But what about Jim? Would he lose the job he'd spent more than a decade working at? Instead of being replaced, Jim was retrained to oversee the Tesla bots, ensuring they operated smoothly. This new role was less physically demanding, better paid, and much less stressful. It finally allowed Jim to do a job that didn't break his body. And Jim's story isn't unique. Many factories are taking a similar approach. Instead of laying off workers, companies are retraining employees to work alongside Tesla bots, helping to minimize waste, boost efficiency, and cut costs by up to 40%. Tesla bot Gen 3 has already been successfully integrated into Tesla's Fremont factory, where it handles crucial tasks like managing 4,680 battery cells, a key component in electric vehicle production. By automating these tasks, the Tesla bot enhances overall efficiency, reduces time spent on repetitive work, and minimizes human error. Most importantly, it takes on physically demanding or hazardous tasks, creating a safer working environment for employees. This shift isn't just about automation, It's about protecting workers from dangerous risks and allowing them to focus on more complex, strategic roles that add greater value to the company. The Tesla bot is the key to unlocking a future where repetitive, hazardous work is handled by machines, and humans are freed up to do more meaningful, high-level tasks. The Tesla bot is set to significantly improve overall workplace productivity. Powered by Tesla's advanced AI systems, the bot is designed to learn and adapt over time. As more Tesla bots are deployed, they can share data and continuously improve their performance in industrial settings. This networked intelligence enables multiple bots to work together smoothly, greatly boosting productivity, while reducing the need for human coordination. Beyond simple automation, the Tesla bot has the potential to integrate with other AI-driven technologies and smart systems. This could lead to highly efficient, autonomous production environments as industries move towards self-optimizing factories. Tesla bot is at the forefront of this change, transforming how machines collaborate to maximize efficiency and streamline operations. Elon Musk has ambitious goals for Tesla bot production. Earlier this year, he announced plans to ramp up production to between 500,000 to 1 million Tesla bots by 2027. In the short term, Tesla aims to produce at least 5,000 to 10,000 units at Giga Texas this year, with plans to scale up to 50,000 to 100,000 units by 2026. Additionally, businesses will have the option to lease Tesla bots, reducing upfront costs and making robotic automation more accessible and cost-effective. This flexible model will allow companies to integrate cutting-edge robotics without the burden of large initial investments, positioning the Tesla bot as a game-changer in industrial automation. Musk believes Tesla can ramp up production exponentially each year, with the goal of producing 500,000 robots in 3 years. While such a claim might sound far-fetched coming from any other company, with Tesla's track record, it seems not only possible but inevitable. Even the CEO of Boston Dynamics, a robotics leader for over 3 decades, has acknowledged that Tesla has the potential to accomplish what his own company has struggled with for years. But the truth is, having the best product doesn't guarantee success if it's priced significantly higher than the competition. Tesla is determined to make the Tesla bot both effective and affordable, which could make all the difference in its widespread adoption. The market tends to favor affordable solutions, even if they're not the most cutting edge. Tesla's own history proves this. While the Model X and Model S feature advanced technology, it's the more affordable Model 3 and Model Y that dominate sales. Price remains a significant barrier, and without cost efficiency, even the most innovative products struggle to reach consumers. Currently, humanoid robots are priced between $80,000 to $100,000, whether in China or North America. Many of these robots never even reach the market due to prohibitively high production costs. A prime example of this failure is Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot, which, after a decade of development, failed to reach mass production due to the company's inability to make it affordable. Despite years of hard work, Atlas never made it to commercial production, marking one of the biggest setbacks in humanoid robotics history. However, if Tesla succeeds in delivering the Tesla Bot Gen 3 at around $20,000, it won't just shake up the robotics industry. It will make humanoid robots mainstream, accessible to households, businesses, and industries on a scale never seen before. That's right, the grueling work in factories and industries is exactly what we hope the Tesla Bot Gen 3 will help with. As promised, we're dedicating the rest of today's episode to reveal the third most shocking job the robot is taking on. Meet Sarah, the owner of a large restaurant in Houston, Texas, with an impressive annual revenue of $26.7 million, serving over 400,000 meals each year. But lately, she's been facing weekend nightmares. Her staff was exhausted, making mistakes, mixing up orders, losing bills, and leaving customers waiting too long, which led to frustration and complaints. Sarah tried everything to fix it, but nothing worked. Then one evening, a loyal customer suggested she try the Tesla Bot Gen 3. At first, Sarah was skeptical. Could it really help, or would it just make things worse? To her surprise, within minutes, the robot had taken over the front desk, smoothly managing the reservation list. It moved effortlessly between tables, serving drinks with flawless precision. And when the music started playing, the robot spun around, executing a perfect dance move, leaving everyone in awe. Tesla Bot Gen 3 is proving to be far more than just a tool. It's a game changer in industries where precision, efficiency, and customer satisfaction are key. The dance moves that left everyone in the restaurant cheering in awe were just the beginning. What was once a chaotic environment filled with complaints has now turned Sarah's restaurant into the talk of the town. Tesla Bot's impressive abilities have been on display at recent events, where it's interacted with guests by dancing, serving cocktails, and even engaging in conversations. These remarkable skills demonstrate how the Tesla Bot could transform customer service and hospitality industries, where engagement, efficiency, and adaptability are crucial. Tesla Bot achieves this high level of interaction thanks to its advanced AI, which allows it to learn and quickly adjust to new situations. In the hospitality and customer service sectors, this adaptability can elevate guest experiences by offering personalized interactions. For example, Tesla Bot can learn individual customer preferences over time, tailoring its service to meet their specific needs, something that surpasses the efficiency and consistency of traditional human roles. With AI-powered humanoid robots like the Tesla Bot, businesses can redefine how they engage with customers, offering seamless, personalized, and highly responsive service that once required highly trained human staff. Tesla Bot's precision and speed ensure a level of consistency that human employees can struggle to maintain over long shifts in the hospitality industry. This means Tesla Bot can handle essential tasks such as serving food and drinks, managing customer requests, and keeping the environment clean, all while maintaining a consistently high level of service. This unwavering reliability leads to better customer satisfaction and lower operational costs for businesses. Unlike human workers, Tesla Bot doesn't suffer from fatigue, mood swings, or inconsistent performance, meaning businesses no longer have to worry about employee burnout, turnover, or lapses in service quality. Tesla Bot is truly the ideal solution for improving efficiency in the hospitality and customer service sectors. Looking ahead, Tesla plans to mass-produce thousands of Tesla Bot units by 2025, with plans for exponential growth in the years to follow. This scalability will allow businesses to deploy Tesla Bots across various service environments without the need for extensive training or complicated hiring processes. Tesla Bot is ready to go right out of the box, adapting to different tasks with minimal setup and no learning curve. Beyond its versatility, Tesla Bot is also a cost-effective alternative to traditional labor. Thank you for watching our video. If you'd like to learn more about Tesla EVs or the Tesla Bot, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, be sure to subscribe to Next Gen Theories and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content. We really appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.